Scroll, follow these coordinates, escape the Solar Bridge Maze. ESN. Okay. I don't know what that is. It's already in there. Go back. I need a bomb. But I can't carry two things at once. Oh, wait. I have a really stupid idea. I don't know if it'll work, though. Alright, let's see if this idea works.
Impossible.
Let's see if this works. Well, yeah, I can't. See if I can get it from here. This is a stupid idea. Let's see if it... Oh, it worked! Okay, okay. Oh, if only the second part worked. Yeah, it works. Put you here. Hopefully the lamp doesn't blow up. Oh my god, it worked! Nice! Okay. How do I get over there? Gotta go. No. Go on it. Okay. Nothing back here. Ooh. Alright, there's nothing here. So I guess I gotta go around. Go back. No. Yeah.
I cannot.
I face you this way. Aha! Okay. Can I grab you? Alright! Then where is that other one? Can't remember. There, I turn it back around. Yeah, this is it. Do the front? Alright. And more spiral staircases. Where are we going? I guess I'm going down. Okay. This is a very, very, very long staircase. Alright. basement of goodies! Please give me good things.
Impossible.
Ah, man, I got 2 potions.
Possible.
Oh! You can hide in those things? Can I do it now? There we go. Alright. Okay, you are hiding. Alright, developers, that was a good thing, kind of catch me off guard. I see you. Ooh, I got some kind of armor, or whatever that was. Oh, I was gonna say, you're gonna be like a giant boss or something right now. What is that? Nothing else? Alright. More possessed. You know what? What's like this one? Just possess these for now. Oh, they look really cool. Let's see how they fare in this battle. Will they kill the scarabs and bones faster? Seems to be doing the job. Oh! Skeletal archers! You want flames? Because flames is what you're gonna get. Is that it? Oh, there's one hiding. Come on, Archer. We gotta go find Pam and the cocaine. That is not what I wanted to do, but okay. Do I get another pair of possessed sights? Not possessed sight, armbands. That'd be great. Really? Or... why do the scarabs scream like that? Wah! Wah! That's such a weird sound for them to make. They could just like make the sounds of the wings flapping. You know, like normal scarabs do. Come on, you really gonna dodge me now? Archers are gonna be there. I only have so many archer jokes I can make. Actually, I think those are the only archer jokes I had. Oh, it's you guys in the cages. I'm like, I did miss one, didn't I? Alright. Second crystal, whatever horn. Collected. Animus stone, that's what it was. Oh, I keep forgetting that. No more. Oh, okay. I need to go back this way. Just for real quick. I didn't use any raw. Yeah, I need that. Not gonna waste what's just lying around. Shut up! I know you're there, but you can't get me. So this looks like a nice little dinner sacrifice hall. Wreck you, even though that was a nice table. Ooh, what did I get? What was that? Knights of Frost. 110 to 122. I just want my damage to be up, not down. You don't care about anything as long as the damage is high. Everything else is merely just a plus. Oh, chest. Ah, that's nice. All those potions.
Impossible. I cannot.
Alright, I think I'm finally out. Yay! Finally out. Those skulls look like Triple H's symbol, the King of Kings symbol. Alright, one more to go.